Maayong hapon. Og naabot na ta og sige gikag lingkod-lingkod. Og unsa kahay andam nangagda og kaon si sir. Perti nang gubuta sa kusina. Unsay sudan? Wow, kalami. Kalami sa kinabuhi ning gikan ta kalingkod-lingkod na inig abot. Wow, baga. Salamat sa gwapo nga.
Late na ko.
Bana. Mga onta guys, gikan pa kog lingkod. Uwan kayo, sugaton ta og gaaso-aso nga. Baga.
I'm gonna watch Transformers 4. Wait.
Okay, isukaran pa ko. Gikan ako galingkod-lingkod, pa kailis oh. Pa. Mga onta guys. How are you today?
I am fine.
Dahil ra gyud ning feeling nga natay cheap cook. Si sir, dara si sir ay. Ato na i-flex.
Good morning. Good morning. Pagkatapos mong
I'm gonna watch a movie.
Brush your eyes ba?
Yeah, I know. I'm
Take
gonna
the
watch.
Oculax
Mora niya.
for predictable constipation relief.
Kalamit.
Parang
Eh.
Epsogen.
Napay ko akong ibili?
Takpal ko. Hindi ko nandun.
Oh my god.
Hey, wait.
Mga guys. Bugno kag gawas, uwan.
When you have soup, you better use this.
Dong,
What? What's
need
that?
wash dong. Dong,
No, no, no.
leave to wash dong.
Wash?
No, no, no. No, no, no. I'll get the soup. I'll get the soup.
Dong. No.
Do not use that. Do not use that.
That's all, bro.
Oh. Dara oh.
Release the mini drones.
I am watching a movie. It's Optimus Prime 4.
Huh?
I like it since I was a child. Mama, I think I'm not a teenage boy. Just look. I noticed that I'm growing hair in my foot.
Go inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm not lying. I'm watching Optimus.
Hala, oy, bugno kay sa gawas. Uwan.
At least we are eating
More
more.
sa balay. Pwede na kong kaon. Pwede na kong gipangandot.
Pa, can you give me some fish? Pa, give me some fish.
Tibok adlaw kang lilingkod.
Apat yung galit na ko. Ay, sige. Apat yung
Wait, Ma, can you load? I like want to load.
So, hagpati. Di ba ba mo hagpat ba yan?
I don't know. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Oh, come. It's hot.
Hot. Blow it. It's hot. Blow it.
Optimus Prime. I just wanted.
No. Watch movie after you eat your...
After eating to.
Why ka ron?
Para mag-focus kayo mag-food. Sige na ba kakao? Sige na ba
Stop
tanaw ba?
it ba? Lagi anak ka sa mukhang sa ko ang kinabuhi guys. Charot. Eat properly. Lami ang isda. Oh, lami as baga. Eh. Pilang kilo nito? 90? Sige na, eat. Nagprito sa denga? Lami sa ganing pinirito nga baga. Oy, oh. Sa kinabuhi. Kanang ikan kagalingkod-lingkod. Bati buk adlaw. Ngabot. Nanay kaon.
Mga isda kayo pressure anong kuan ba?
Ngay LPA.
Lagi.
Ma,
Labas
Yes.
no?
basta you're filming me, Maba, in my channel, Maba. I'm gonna instruct you how do not stop filming until I say, okay, guys, bye. When I say, okay, guys, bye, immediately cut the video.
Okay.
And just pause the video, okay? Just pause the video.
Bugno guys gawas eh.
Mama, I want crab.
Crab.
I'm thinking crab in my mind.
That's yummy.
Also,
Mahal naman kain na eh.
ganan ko
Oo, more.
ganan ko king crab.
King crab. Sus, kamahal anak.
Alaskan.
Ya, kinahanglan ta nag amlodipin.
Dong.
What?
Yap, ipin na yung video. Mga kag crab.
Kamuhan ma, ganan kog murag. Ganan kog murag king crab.
Ang crab ron kay nalumos pa.
Why?
Mahal man.
Ma, I found out that the ocean actually went even more deeper. I didn't expect it to be so deep.
So deep.
Mama, there's actually another Earth inside of Earth. Not the core,
Mantag.
the land of the Earth. Actually, there is another Earth on Earth. It's actually the ocean. The ocean is another Earth. Cause no,
The ocean earth.
yeah, cause no, the ocean is just a whole new world down there.
Price naman, daghan na kayo.
Pa, you're embarrassing me in front of Mama.
Hmm?
You're embarrassing me in front of Mama.
Okay.
Crab.
The thing you said.
But,
You know the thing you said.
ko, rice ni mama, daghan na kayo. She's not allowed man more rice. Little naman.
Mga 1 cup na to.
Because rice though is full of sugar.
I
though.
love king crabs because they're very yummy.
Yeah.
I also love their meat.
Ay.
They're tasty
Sus, grabe.
and
Tilok.
juicy.
Stop it ba? Ang film.
Kimbe!
Tastier and better.
Eat ba? Stop it.
Bruh.
Kanha ko'y kuning mata sa bagaw eh. Kasi ka-relate. Stop it, Brian ba?
Mama,
Yes.
can we add another room? Can we add another room, Ma?
Where?
In our new house. Can we add another room?
Pende. Sa space.
I want to have another room because that's where my studio is.
Eat. There's more, oh. Yeah, eh. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.